Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk about the 7 things you should consider before you make a purchase or decide to have air conditioning in your apartment. The first thing is planning restrictions. Now, when it comes to apartments, it's very, very rare that you'll be able to either make penetrations to the outside or put anything on the outside. So a conventional system is normally 99% of the time not an option to you, and this is where we come into it, because the solution that CallU is 100% internal. So everything we supply you, and it's not a compromise to any solution in the conventional AC world, will be 100% inside your apartment, not outside the demise, so no planning restrictions will affect it. The second thing that has to be considered is the size of the room or space you are trying to air condition. Now, this is something that, of course, during a site survey, with all the experience we have, we will size accordingly, and so it's the most comfortable and practical for your space. The third thing to consider, or you do consider, is the design or the aesthetics of what you're having installed. If you are contacting us as part of a refurbishment project, then your options are increased as such, in the sense that you can have concealed ducted systems whereby you only see a linear grille within the space, similar to a hotel style system, or you have a wall mounted unit discreetly positioned at high level. We have been very conscious in designing our systems in the sense that we have no branding on our units, and they are white, sleek, with no logos, and also operate at very low decibels. So in all honesty, you won't even notice, even in a master bedroom while you're sleeping, that the system is on. The location of the system is also very, very important. Depending on where we decide to locate the system within your room can have a vast impact on both its performance and also the energy efficiency when it's running. We tend to position systems so that not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but will contribute to perfect cooling with minimum energy use. When it comes to costing of our systems, we are 100% transparent. If you look at our brochure, our website, or even in an initial conversation with ourselves, both Julian, the MD, and me, the Technical Director, will tell you exactly what to expect to pay for your solution. We have always been transparent, and we have kept our prices the same for the last 6 years. We're not the type of company that will come to your home and tell you, oh, if I phone my manager today, we can do you a massive discount. You will know from day one what you will pay. However, we will also explain what you will get with no hidden costs. Another important factor is the hassle in the installation itself. We pride ourselves, and what we've been doing for so many years now, is high-end retrofit installations whereby you don't have to worry about your floors, your walls, your decor. We come in, we do everything for you, and you really wouldn't even know we've been there. Lastly, but most importantly, I would say it's customer service. Before you make such an investment and purchase a solution from whoever it may be, you want to trust and buy into what that company is offering you. Here at CallU, that's exactly what we can guarantee that we will give you. The absolute best pre-installation and post-installation aftercare. If you ever have a problem with your system, you only need pick up the phone and you will have a direct link to both myself, the Technical Director, and Julian Pizer, the Managing Director. And of course, aside from contacting us directly, you have a written 5-year warranty which covers you for all parts and labour, so you really can buy with complete peace of mind. If you have any questions on what I've said just now, then please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.